Today, I want to talk to you about a cool new software that I went ahead and purchased, and it's called Profit Video. Now, Profit Video, I want to do a full review so you can see behind the scenes exactly what is the product about and how is it going to work for you. How's it, most importantly, going to save you money? So here we are. We're going to jump in. This is Profit Video. This is, create your account. Once your account has been created, you can go ahead and log in. So I click here, I'm going to log it in, and you will see this is our blank empty dashboard. It looks like at first, wait, Profit Video is not working. That's my initial thought. So I went ahead and I clicked on the training. So it'll open it up a training tab for you. Now the cool part about this product is it has a whole support team. So it goes ahead, these are the topics that you can cover: how the screen recording works, how to create a video, and each of them have like their own stuff that enters. So like sub menu, I guess that's what it's called. So screen recording will open up and it'll have all of these other pieces attached to it. So there's the video, how you do your screen recording. Still no luck, go ahead and submit a ticket. So you can go ahead, submit a ticket. It walks you through creating an account as a support person. So you would go ahead, you would log into the support. Remove that. I didn't submit a ticket. But basically, when you submit a ticket, it takes you to this, and you can go ahead and there's a live chat. And so you can see here, I was chatting with the person because I didn't understand how to use the editor at first because there's nothing on that dashboard, initial dashboard. I was confused when I first started it. So you can pick up, like here, you can pick up your old ticket and go ahead and communicate with them some more. Or, I received my answers, and so I wanted to go ahead. But I thought it was fantastic that at 3 in the morning, I could go ahead and contact a live chat support person that could help me with my problem. Like, what kind of product does that on the back end? Like, man, the support's killer. So back to the Profit Video software. The problem that I was having initially was that I didn't know how to upload my video and make edits. So you have to use this clipboard here, which isn't the most easiest thing to do. So you click on it, it gives you an arrow, and then you have to drag it down to the clipboard. Or you have to, there's a trick to it anyways. Where is it? I saw an arrow. But you can see there's kind of, okay, so now it's highlighted over here, and it will allow me to kind of move these and crop the I guess the length and make changes to it. So you can see I added the video in here, but it's not pulling up the menu. There's a whole menu that starts to happen. So you highlight this and then you click right here, place it in the clipboard. So now I'm over here and I can click this. And now you're gonna have this whole menu right here that opens up, which is cool. So you can go ahead and add text. So if I want to, at the beginning, say welcome, I can do that, and I can put the size in I'd like, I can add the position I'd like, and I can change the color by doing these things. So let's have a look and see what else. So you can pick the font also. So whatever the font might be, and then you add the text. And so off it goes, adding that text to your video clip over here. There we are. No, slow, sorry. Just gonna add that in, and then you should be able to play it, and it will be right there on the center where you selected to place it. This also has some other cool features in terms of being able to add a file for closed captions. You can plus it and add little pictures, little icons in there. You can add your own watermark. You can cut things down to size and place into there. All in all, it's a super freaking powerful product. I think I paid 17 bucks for it. It wasn't expensive, but I like that I can edit my videos really quickly. Sometimes a kid walks in right at the end, or I need to add a second clip. So you just click that little clipboard and place it onto the clipboard in the bottom. So that's kind of like the first one I really enjoyed having, to be able to make my videos in a different way. I'm going to have a look and show you the second product I use with this product. I'm going to see if I can find where I put it. Let's have a look. I feel like it's in my Warrior Plus account, so I'm going to take you to my things that I have purchased. And we're going to have a look because Video Profit works extremely well with Vidsquad. So the Vidsquad product, the reason why it is so cool is it hosts all of your stuff. So where is it? You get a lot of bonuses with this one. You get access to the training and tutorial. But this one, I've already created my account. So it's already in there. And I'm just going to log in. There we go. And so I feel like I have uploaded a video already in here. Maybe not. So the key to this is it only supports MP4 and WebM files, which wasn't exactly the most helpful thing to me. So I put in a support ticket. They didn't have a very positive back-end support, not like the other video editor that we just saw. So this one, again, only allows you to support MP4. So I had to use an online conversion tool. I just dropped my file into the tool and it converted it to MP4. So then I was able to upload that. So you just upload it, and then you have an image editor. I wasn't overly impressed with it. I mean, I could probably do the same thing and easier on Canva. Just not really like it wasn't something that stood out to me as like a selling feature. If it didn't have it, awesome. If it did have it, awesome. Like it just meh for me. They have a screen recorder, which is kind of nice. You can start recording your screen, stop it whenever you want, and then download it. Now, the thing I really like about Vidsquad is that it hosts all of your videos for you. And so once you've uploaded a video, I don't think I have one that I can upload for us right now. But basically, once you have uploaded a video, here it is. This is what I had uploaded before because I had to convert it to the MP4. There you go. So once you have it uploaded, you can then, it basically treats it like YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, you've gone ahead and used the other Profit Vid tool, edited your video, it's looking really good, and you're like, well, now I have to add this to my YouTube channel. But this isn't really the kind of niche, and I don't want to start another video, and I don't want to put it as a private video. Like, I just want to host it somewhere, but where? And I don't want to pay for video hosting separately. This Vidsquad is exactly for that. You're basically going to take your video from Profit Vid and host it over here on Vidsquad. So the two tools work hand in hand extremely well. So here you can see this, and it gives you a link. So once you click this link, it'll take you right to your video. So essentially you can give that link. Here's your share link. Here's your embed codes. Now you don't have to upload it onto a YouTube channel. You can just give these links out. You've edited it. It's perfect. It's the way you want it. You can insert the images into it as well, because it does have an editing tool. But I really like Profit Vid. It's a strong tool, and again, I like that there's support. So at 3 in the morning when I'm working with something and I cannot figure it out, there's somebody there like I can connect with. Like that in itself is worth the 17 bucks that I paid for the software. So yeah, this is kind of where I host everything. This is the dashboard here. It tells you, what Vidsquad is capable of. It gives you analytics. It has built-in thumbnails, one click embed feature. It was pretty fast. It uploaded that the little clip I uploaded really quick. So it's like a video screen recorder is what they are saying here. So that's the video screen recorders there. You can import your videos from YouTube and Vimeo. What else? You can play the videos on any site. It's got good quality. There's only a one-time fee. It's not a reoccurring. So if you're paying something like Loom that's reoccurring, no, you don't really have to do that now. It's newbie friendly. Like what you see is what you get. There's no like click here and here and here and here and here and oh, now it works. It's just one click. And it comes with a commercial license, so you can go ahead and feel free to do your thing without feeling like any repercussions. It works with any niche. So that's kind of like the Vidsquad. Again, I just use it to host my videos in. I might start using the video recorder as well. But again, these guys go hand in hand. I'm not sure why this part is frozen still. Probably something I can talk to their handy dandy tech support with. But anyways, have a look. I'm going to leave both of those links in the video description below, so you can go ahead and save some money for yourself without having to pay the reoccurring fee each month for a video hoster or a video editor, right? So this is a newbie friendly, easy way. It's a great review that I just did on both the Vidsquad and Profit Video. Thanks, guys, and take care and be well. Till next time.